Hey Google, set an alarm for 5 minutes from now.
You got it. Your alarm's set for 9:13 p.m.
Hello, and welcome to the pet room. David Bradley here. Here is a close-up view of a 2031 high-profile drive circuit board, and I will be soldering in a socket. It's funny, because I thought I had a bunch of solder, and I do, but, oh, right here is the stuff I have been using. Where'd it go? And I still have, oh, maybe 8 inches of it left, and then I have this other stuff that is way thicker, and I'm not sure if it is suitable. I am not sure. So I've set my alarm for 5 minutes from now. That should give the iron time to warm up, and I should be able to proceed with the soldering operation. I put the socket in and I bent the chips out just a little wee bit so they hold on. Basically, I've just got to get one at each end sort of secured. I can see certainly this one took more of a beating than others. And you know what? I think, oh no, I think the socket is slipping a little bit. Excuse me. One moment. Yeah, it is. Alright, I am going to be a bit more aggressive. Where is my little screwdriver? To ensure that I have a couple of these that are really bent over some. I can always shift them back. What I just did now is this one and this one are bent over quite a bit farther. This one, oh, this is the one I had a heck of a time getting out, and I'm not pleased that there's that much stuff on this one. Oh yeah, there's a little solder residue, perhaps, while I'm waiting for things to heat up. I'll give that a little bit of a brushing, or maybe even if I'm going to have to get more solder, I should consult with Rudy of Retro Intel. Say, what side should I get? Because I think I've been getting the right kind. Oh boy, this thick stuff. My golly. I might try a little of it. Maybe to see, is the iron hot? Oh yeah, really hot. But I'm not sure if it's a little too much. One thing I don't have here is a sponge thing, which can be handy. I'm going to wet a napkin a little bit. And pick up the iron, kind of cleanse it a little in the napkin. Ooh, that's hot. Not surprising. It's supposed to be hot. Oh, great. Now I'm getting little bits of the napkin. Okay, good. I think we might be hot enough. I am. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, dear. I hear thunder. Oh, hey Google, cancel. Just about right on time. So I think I'm going to try one here. And perhaps one over here first. So now it should be nicely secured, despite the bending. Now this one, it might take a little more. Ooh, maybe not. This was the tough one. Ooh, the board is somehow dancing around a little bit here. I did not do that when I was doing the rest. Maybe I had it flipped the other way. I think that's the one I already did. And this is the one that I bent. And the solder does flow. Alright. We will go right there. Right there. I think I did some of these. I'll have to have a close look. Alright, I'm going to carefully set the iron down on its little wee holder. And it's funny, as I look through, I think did I do one side twice? Like that. That does not look good. Alright, I'm going to pull back on the solder. Alright. Iron down, iron good. Glasses off. Let's have... You know what? I gotta pick this up to have a real close look. Sorry. I really do. Well, looks alright. Nothing is touching that shouldn't be. It seems they're all connected. And there is a fresh socket. It is so You know, in the other things, it's always been 1. So, do I get to drive back here? Do I put a chip in? I know if I take... There's a RAM chip and a PET here. I know it's good. Oh no. Just then, thunder rolled in. Well, I will think about this. Anyway, the socket is in. I think I will, which I probably should have already done. I'm unplugging. Oh man, it's a good plug. I'm unplugging the soldering iron so it can cool down. I will have to get, I believe, more solder. Oh, I didn't try the thick stuff, but I think it's too thick. There it is. Look at it. It's a monster. Maybe it's good for bigger things. Or I suppose just a dab. Anyway. Yes. So. Oh, on the 4040, drive 1 is definitely doing strange things. And I did swap out one of the chips from the upper board, thinking that could be it. I switched out the 901-467-01 from another board. It's still doing exactly the same thing. So I'm thinking more so along the lines of either swapping the drive or swapping the board on the top and seeing if I still have the same issues, because I really haven't got it isolated. The other thing was, earlier on, when I was doing the same sort of stuff, Drive 0 started to do weird things, which it isn't now, which is all very strange. I just want to get this done. And also, I want to get this table cleared so I can open up the microwave. I do. Anyway, 1 socket successfully installed. But certainly, even if there's other issues, that chip needed to come out. It did. So the iron is cooling, and I think that's all I have to say about that. So, thanks for coming. Bye for now.